This is part 3 of a tutorial that will help you better understand the basics of creating an iMovie trailer. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to save and share this trailer so that others can enjoy what you've created. So, let's take a quick reminder and look back at what we just did in part 2. In part 2, we looked at the outline and the storyboard and how to actually create a storyboard using videos and photos, and with the outline how to edit the main textual things that would appear throughout the movie. Now in this part we want to go ahead now and share what we've just created. To do this, we hit the back arrow, which takes us to this screen. In this screen we can actually share, we can view, we can trash, and we can go back and edit. Again, this gives us a basic overview of how long it is, 1 minute, 1 second, when it was modified on. We can hit the play button to actually see it. We can hit the upload, and we'll come back to it in just a second. We can hit the trash button, and if we hit it, it'll give us an option, do we want to delete the trailer? I'll click out in space and say no. We can edit, go back to the edit screen by clicking here. To get back again to that, we just hit the back arrow. Now let's hit the upload arrow to see what options we have. First of all, at the top, if this is an iOS 7 or 8, we can use AirDrop. AirDrop will drop that to any other device that has AirDrop on it. Also, if you have Windows 10.10, which is OS X Yosemite, you can actually AirDrop from an iPad to that device. And the way to check is go to the Apple, About Mac, and it will say OS X Yosemite 10.10 minimum. So back here, we can save this to the iCloud. We can save it to the iMovie Theater, which we showed earlier. If you have a Facebook account, you can upload it there. If you have a YouTube account, and whatever other devices or apps that you have on your device. Down at the bottom, if you hit save, it will save the video. You can save it to iTunes, to your cloud, and some other devices. So let's go back up to the top real quick. We'll hit save. And notice it gives us some options. Do I want to save it as a 360, a 540, a 720, and a 1080, excuse me, HD quality. Again, if I want to, let's say, save to the iMovie Theater, it'll actually start exporting the movie to that. Go ahead and click X. If I have a YouTube account or whatever, the first thing that it'll probably ask you is that, what is your account information? And once you're in there, you can add this basic information. Again, different sizes. If you want to make it private, unlisted, public, and then hit share at the top. And that's the same format in most of those online social media platforms. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this 3-part tutorial, and I hope that you'll enjoy creating iMovie trailers for all those to share. You can still use these tools in creating an iMovie later.